Are you looking for some automotive projects to upgrade your car? Well, look no further than our Sailrite workbench. We just released a 4-part automotive refresh series where we did some detailing DIY work on this 92 Volkswagen GTI. With the help of our friend and car owner Tyler, we insulated the floors, patterned and sewed new shifter and e-brake boots, reupholstered the door panel in a new vinyl fabric, and reupholstered the headliner. All of the projects can be done with Sailrite tools and materials. So if you're a car person and you don't want to pay a shop for the easy upgrades your car deserves, we're here to teach you how to do them yourself. Click the link in the description to watch the full playlist of videos in this series. Thanks for watching the Sailrite Workbench, and we'll see you guys next time.